About this iT multi-port USB hub, instantly add USB 2.0 hub to any compatible device. 7-port USB splitter supports most commonly used USB devices, such as U-discs, HDD, mouse, card readers, keyboards, MP3 players, etc. Easy to use, individual LED power switches enables to easy connect and disconnect your USB devices. Does everything you need a USB splitter to do. Easily handles 3-4 connections with no degradation in throughput. Power status display, separate LEDs indicate power status for each port. Just plug the USB hub into the USB port of the laptop and plug in other USB devices. Remember to turn on the power for each USB port in use. Compatibility, compatible with Windows XP, 7, 8, 10, 11, Vista/Mac OS X 10.2 and higher /Linux/Unix. The USB 2.0 hub reverse compatible with USB 1.1, warranty and note, support 30-day money back and 1-year guarantee. This USB hub not meant to serve as a standalone charger, but merely